life had made a complete circle. But two complete strangers meeting over a common person, his dad. And it felt good. It felt good to make a personal connection with something that I've had in my heart for a really long time. And it was really, really good.
You know, at the time these bracelets were given out, even the ones that are given out now, the whole premise behind it was you wear them until they come home. And I'm happy to say my father came home after 34 years. 3 years ago we had a nice memorial for him. So you have done your duty.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And I'm here today because I'm with my brothers and sisters from Sons and Daughters in Touch. We're here to honor our fathers on Father's Day. And Jennifer and Natalie and I are here because for a special reason, because our dads are all still missing in action, and so we really have no place to go to honor our dads except for the wall. And so we're here to pay respect and to remember our dads.
Brother, I read your letters, blurred by the Vietnam rain. Words of hope and words of pain, and the innocence you lost. I watched the war from a living room chair, trying to see you there in the fields of hell that you crossed. I won't forget the burden you carried on your back, the mud-soaked sleepless nights, all that you sacrificed, the empty place in my life when you left. I won't forget. Pictures that make me smile, riding bikes to the river that time. Little jokes and little crimes we shared from years ago. You did your best to come back to me. It wasn't meant to be. And now I need you to know I won't forget the burden you carried on your back, the mud-soaked sleepless nights, all that you sacrificed, the empty place in my life when you